In this video, you'll learn how to sell cryptocurrency on Binance. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each action clearly. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the trade section of the interface. You will see various trading options available. Select spot trading to access the trading interface. It's important to ensure that the cryptocurrency you intend to sell is available in your spot wallet. Stay on the trading page to proceed with the next steps. Next, locate the trading pair you wish to sell. For example, if you want to sell Bitcoin, select the BTC/EUSDT. The market will display the current price and trading volume for this pair. Make sure to verify that you have the required amount of cryptocurrency in your spot wallet before continuing. After selecting the trading pair, find the sell tab located beneath the price chart. This tab allows you to input your sell order details. You will encounter options to choose the order type, such as market or limit. A market order will sell your cryptocurrency at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you wish to sell. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell in the designated field. Once you input the amount, take a moment to review the estimated amount of funds you will receive from the sale. This step is crucial as it helps you understand the transaction's financial implications. After confirming that all details are correct, proceed to confirm the sell order. If you place the market order, the transaction will execute instantly, and you will see a confirmation message indicating that the sale was successful. In the case of a limit order, you will need to wait until the market price reaches your specified limit before the order is executed. Once your order is completed, check your spot wallet to confirm that the funds have been received. You can also view your order history by navigating to the trade history section for a record of your recent transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.